And the race is on. Idas Julian fast to begin rushing up Grand Dynasty and moving up by the rallies Ibarra alongside Ace Home Run Last, Ibarra Home Run Last, Grand Dynasty. Idas Julian is racing forward by some 2 lengths. Then comes Titanic, Kinford, and Quattro Supra is the early trailer. As they round the 3/4 mile distance, Ibarra by some 2 lengths followed by Grand Dynasty. Home Run Last is racing in third by some 4 lengths, moving up in between runners Titanic alongside Iris Julian Kinford and Quattro Supra still running at the tail of the field, working towards the back. Ibarra, this time by some 4 lengths, followed by Grand Dynasty. Titanic is racing in third by some 3 lengths. Idas Julian. Kingford is racing in fifth by Darrell. Number 1 Home Run Last, second last, and Quattro Supra is still running at the tail of the field. Inside the last 600, Ibarra, this time by some 6 lengths, followed now by Titanic. Grand Dynasty is racing third by Darrell as the action swing towards the long, nice stretch run with Ibarra is still leading by some 5 lengths, and nearing the finish line, Ibarra is still setting the pace by some 7 lengths, followed by Titanic, and nearing the finish line, it's indeed a light workout for this horse Ibarra, and finally the horse of Mr. Benhar Avalos Ibarra. Second, Titanic. 3A Grand Dynasty, Home Run Last, Kingford, and Quattro Supra.